Hello everyone, welcome to Marinong Musika. Today I'm going to show how to replace battery of UPS Turbo X. Normally we use this one from computers, printers and others when suddenly encountered a blackout. That's what we call uninterrupted power supply. Let's find out how to open a battery. Welcome to my next vlog. Now I'm going to replace battery of UPS Turbo X. How to replace in a safe way and a fastest way. Remove whole screw around. Open the cover. Next move to remove this blue cable. Remove the blue cable. Remove the cable for the battery. Remove the negative polarity. Remove the positive polarity. Put the insulator. So put the insulator and electrical tape for positive and negative to avoid any short circuit. Remove the screw from the PCB. Remove screw from the bottom. There are 6 screws. Now remove the PCB. Now remove the cover. Remove the cover. Remove now the battery. It's ready now to replace a new battery. Replace now a new battery. I put mark label to make sure when the next replacement. Next battery. January 24, 2022. Normally the span of the battery, it takes about 2 years. Also here I have a mark. Put back the cover. Put back the mounting for PCB. Put back the PCB. There are 4 screws. Tighten the screw. Tight. Now tight the 6 bottom screw. Remove now the insulator. This is very important to avoid any short circuit. Connect the cable. Connect the other side. So now ready to remove the insulation tape. Connect negative polarity. Connect positive polarity. Make sure it's correct polarity. Tighten now the mounting base for the battery. Connecting back the blue cable. Secure the PVC cable. Put back the cover.
tight all screws and ready to test. Plug now the cable to start the UPS. We have a switch here, switch on. It's now working now.